Hi guys, my name is Stella. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all the best gadget that has kept me going. This gadget is Raycon everyday earbuds, and also I've got the case here with me. I'll do a quick unboxing with you guys and share with you all the reason why you all need to check out this product. This is a must-have in this year 2024. If you don't have this Raycon everyday earbuds, I don't know what you're waiting for. So let me do a quick unboxing with you guys. So guys, this is what the Raycon everyday earbuds looks like. Inside the pack, you see a manual for easy understanding, well explained. And this is my everyday earbuds. Like, it is so unique. You guys need to check them out. So the good thing about this product is that it is active noise cancelling, and here is the cord for charging. It also comes with different earbuds, so just in case the one on it is small for you, you can change it. So you can see it has different sizes, big and small. So this is the case. This is what it looks like. The good thing about this product is that when you charge it for 10 minutes, it is equal to 1.5 hours of battery life. Great quality and very unique. So yes, that's why I love this product. So if you want this product, all you need to do is to use my promo code ELLASFAM for a 15% discount. Yes, you had me right. Link on the description below. This product has been super helpful when I'm going to the gym. I love it so much. The sound is amazing. And the good thing about this is that it is dust proof and waterproof. Meaning if you're at the gym and you are sweating, you are covered. If it's raining, you are covered. For what else do you want from Raycon Everyday Earbuds? And also it has 30 days guarantee, meaning if you want to return it, you can return it within 30 days. And for me, I love the customized case. It has got different colors, so if you don't want this color, they've got so many colors. I went for black because I feel like black matches everything, to be honest. So they've got different colors just in case if you don't want black, or if you don't want this casing, they've got other colors. I so much love this product. When I'm studying, the music sound is so amazing, and it's also affordable. So what are you waiting for? So go check out Raycon Everyday Earbuds. I am sure you will like it.